Welcome to Session 8 of Grade 11 Advanced Algebra and Precalculus. Today we study function comparison checkpoint. The focus is to compare equations, tables, graphs, and models. By the end, you should be able to do these three things. 1. Match the question to the feature. 2. Compare rates and starting values. 3. Justify the answer in a sentence. Strong students can translate between formulas, tables, graphs, and verbal descriptions. Comparison problems asking to identify the feature that matters: starting value, rate, intercept, average change, end behavior, or a target input. Function A is 4x plus 7. Function B has points 0, 10, 218, and 426. B increases by 8 when x increases by 2, so its rate is 4 per x unit. Both functions have slope 4, but B starts at 10, while A starts at 7. Therefore, B is always 3 units above A. Now compare L of x equals 20 plus 5x with E of x equals 20 times 1.05 to the x. They have the same initial value. The linear model adds 5 each step. The exponential model multiplies by 1.05 each step. Your turn. Which is larger at x equals 0, f of x equals 3x plus 9, or g of x equals 2 to the x? Pause the video and solve it. Here is the solution. Work line by line. Then check the final answer against the original question. After the video, complete these 3 tasks. Copy the model from the lesson, solve each one fresh, and write 1 error log sentence about the mistake you are most likely to make. Let's recap. Translate representations before deciding. Compare the requested feature. Same slope does not mean same function. Write the conclusion in a sentence. Before moving on, write 1 sentence. The step I must protect is... That small reflection turns the video into real self-learning.